Hello traders, welcome to the video. In this video, I want to show you another quick strategy that you can use to swing the volatility index market. So this strategy you can use it to buy to the upside and also to sell the market to the downside. If you look carefully on my chart, this is the 1 hour time frame and this is volatility 10. This strategy works on all the volatility index. And if you look down on my indicator, I have moving average, I have envelopes and moving average, and I also have RSI, which helps me mark the levels. So don't worry, I will show you settings to this indicator after I explain this strategy. You don't need to catch every move in the volatility index market. So we want to look for area where market is giving us a very nice signal. So once you have this signal, then we take our entry, we take our profit, and also look for another area where market will give us signal all over again. So if you look carefully on my chart, I have level 85 and level 15. The level 85 acts as a resistance level, while the level 15 acts as a support level. So when the market pushes this moving average and the envelope into the 85 level, we expect market to drop to the downside. And when market pushes these two indicators into the 15 level, we expect market to buy to the upside. But we are not just entering the market because we are likely to get a lot of fake outs. So you should pay attention to everything I say so as to avoid these fake outs. Although this strategy is not 100% because sometimes it may trick you and then you will see these fake outs as setups. But if you follow the plans that I will be given, then you will be able to filter out some fake outs. Then you'll be able to take a more high probability trades. So what are we looking for? Let's say we want to buy to the upside. So we want to see this market goes down, pushing this moving average and the envelope into the 15 level. You want to see crosses the envelope to the upside and then comes to test the envelope again. And once you see it's going to the upside again, then you will enter your buy. If we are about to take this setup, this is how this market will play out for us. Pay attention to this area. So you can see touches this level, crosses to the upside, then you have a touch again at this point. Then once you see it crosses again at this point, we enter a buy, and your stop loss will be below this low, and then you target when it enters into the 85 level. So if I zoom in a bit from this point, stop loss below this low, and then you target once it enters the 85 level. So before, I always tell you that see a touch, then you buy, but here in this strategy you don't just see one touch, so you wait for another confirmation touch for you to go to the upside. So you wait for two touches. The same thing for the sell condition. You see it enters into the 85 level. So once you have that, you wait for when it crosses. You have the cross below the 85 level. Then you wait for when it touches again, but not crossing the moving average. So you want to see it to still maintain that upper band. So you see it going above, not below. So if you have it go below, then you have no trade. Market is likely to still continue in an upside. So you see it go above. So once you see it crosses above again, then you will enter a sell. Stop loss will be above this high. Then you target when it enters into the 15 level. Entry here, stop loss above this point. You will close your trade around this point. So let me use this to explain what I mean. So pay attention to this level because this is how you will see it when market is about to play out. So you can see it crossing at this point, but did not go above the 15 level, so you have no trade. You will be waiting patiently. You see it go above the 15 level but did not touch the envelopes while it is going up. So you have a cross here. So once you have a cross, you wait patiently for when it goes above the 15 level again. So here you see how market drops to the downside. You don't get FOMO and think that you will miss out. Just be patient and take more perfect entry. So it is okay to miss some moves. You will definitely miss some trades, but you will get a high quality trade. So you see how it drops to the downside. Then you wait, you have a cross to the upside. Then you see that the volatility of market is very strong. So the market leaves you. So you see it continues to buy to the upside until when it enters into the level. So you can see at this point, pay attention to this level. This is where you should focus your attention on right now. You have a cross, goes below, then crosses back. You can see the crossover here, enters and crosses up back. So here the moving average stays below the 15 level. So here you have no trade. So here you can see how the moving average goes above the 15 level at this point. You have a touch at this point that continues to go up. Once you see it's going up, you will enter your buy. Stop loss can be below this low or this low. Then you hold your trade until when it enters into the 15 level, into this point. Then you will close your trade. So you can also decide to take your buy here. You can see that sometimes it plays out, but it is more accurate when you have market enters into the 85 level, cross below the 85 level, touches the moving average and continues in the downtrend. Enter your sell, stop loss above this high, target when it enters into the 15 level, taking out this low. It is more accurate. You can see that if you even leave your trade, it still continue in a downtrend. So you can see over here, this is volatility 25. Market forced to the downside, pushing the moving average and the envelope into the 15 level. You see the cross below the 15 level. You want to see the moving average goes above the 15 level. You see that it remains below the 15 level at this point. So you see it dips inside again and also goes above the 15 level at this point. So you want to see a touch of the moving average again, continues in an uptrend, you will enter your buy. That will be at this point. Stop loss will be below this swing or this swing. Then you target when it enters into the 15 level, this point or this point. So sometimes you will not get it to be very accurate like this. If you go on your chart, you will not easily see it. But if you pay attention and you look for more example, you will definitely see it on your chart. So now let me quickly show you settings to my indicator. First thing you do is to click on this indicator icon over here. You can see I have 4 indicators. I have moving average, relative strength index, and envelopes. To select the first moving average, click on the F icon on the main chart. Moving average. Make your period to be 10, shift to be 0, method to be Lillian weight, apply to weighted close, style 3 pixel, and select color of your choice. After that, click on save. For the second indicator, which is RSI, click on the F icon on the main chart. Scroll down a bit. Relative strength index, RSI. Make your period to be 1, apply to close, style 1 pixel, select color of your background. If your background is black, you select black. If it is white, you select white. The levels is the most important thing. Click on this pen icon over here. Add level, type 85 and 15, style 2 pixel, and select color of your choice. After that, click on save. For the envelopes, click on the F icon on indicators Windows 1. Envelopes, click on that. Make your period to be 2, shift to be 0, deviation to be 0.02, method simple, apply to close. For the style, click on 3 pixels and select color of your choice. After that, click on save. And for the last moving average, click on the F icon on indicators Windows 1. Moving average. Make your period to be 20, shift to be 0, method to be Lillian weight, apply to weighted close, style 3 pixels, select color of your choice. After that, click on save. So if you follow my settings correctly, your chart should look exactly as what you see over here. So after this, I want you to go back on your chart, backtest this strategy, practice your entry so that you will know exactly when to enter. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I release a new video. You can also check out my other videos that are displaying right now on your screen. Thanks for watching.